What is the topic? Data frame attributes, I guess actually. And next upcoming topic name is a data frame methods. Cheppandi sir. Data frame methods actually. Data frame methods. You learn slowly by slowly. Don't be hurry to learn the things. Don't be hurry. Keep on calm and slowly you just try to digest the topics actually. Still this one is running. Yes. Here we go. Let's move on. Now the point is, very less students. What happened? Oh, they themselves announced, I guess, actually. Okay. At least did they join at least online? Sir, offline team, who are all, oh, yeah, maybe they joined in online, I guess, actually. Good, good. Enjoy the festival. Back to the session. Please don't miss the session. As I told you, regularity is important, actually. We can create a data frame. Chappan sir, we can create a data frame. Create what exactly? Data frame in a below ways. The first one, empty data frame we can create. I'm sorry. Yeah, empty data frame. Empty data frame we can create. Then next one, we can create a data frame by using single list. By using what exactly? Single list. And we can even create a data frame by using nested list. Talk with me. Nested list. Fourth one, by using dictionary. By using what exactly? Dictionary. These are all things we can do. Now the fifth one, loading the file. What is the next one, sir? By loading the file. By what exactly? Loading the file. By using, when you're loading the file, you will get a data frame automatically. What is this file? I will talk with you slowly. One by one, you will get an idea. Let me talk with you one by one. You will get an idea. So generally speaking, whenever you are working in a company, listen carefully. You're working in a company. So you're working as a data scientist actually. What is your working, sir? Data scientist. Then first the company, they will give the file. They will give what is the company will give the file. Company, especially when I say company, the client will give the file actually. Then step number one, they're giving the file. It's okay. Step number two, load the file. Load what exactly file by using pandas. By using what exactly? Third step will be, we will get a data frame. We will get what exactly? Data frame. Fourth step is perform an operation. Perform what exactly? An operation. This is the flow you need to be understand. Conclusion of the story. Company will give the data. Who will give the data? Once they have given the data, then we need to load the, they will give the file. In that file, we do have a data. In that file, so file contains data. File contains what exactly? Data. Then that file we need to load the file by using pandas. How we can load, by using pandas. By using what exactly mean? Pandas. Whenever you are loading, we'll get a data frame. Once you are getting a data frame, you need to perform what exactly? Operation. Till now, are you clear? Let's continue. We'll see. Step by step today, we'll see it. We do have a different files. We do have what exactly mean? Different files. Different files actually. Different files. So one of the file is called as a CSV file. What file mean? CSV file. Open our material. Kindly please make a note. Please understand. Let's open our material. Pandas. Loading the files. We are good to go. First of all, let me just try to tell you. So we can load the different files in pandas. Whenever you are loading the file, then pandas returns what exactly mean? Data frame. Once after the data frame is created or written, then based on requirement, we can perform what exactly? Several operations. One of the file is a CSV file. Next one, JSON file, Excel file, TSV file, table from web page actually. All these things we are seeing. Ensure that you load any type of file, no matter what actually, it creates only one thing. What is that? Any idea? Data frame. That's what, please make a note actually. Please, we have to understand that. Okay. We are good to go. Next one. Let me explain about this one. CSV file stands for comma separated value. That value I have missed actually. A CSV file contains the data like a rows and columns. What exactly mean? Rows and columns. Let me take one CSV file today, and that file I need to upload. Kindly remind me. I need to upload cheyali. We can just try to come here. The file name is called as a sales1.csv file. What file? Sales1.csv. Copy. Let me just try to copy in this folder. Copy in this folder actually. It is okay. We are good to go. So today I'm going to help you. The file name is a sales1.csv. Name of the file. What exactly, sir? Name of the file. File name including extension you need to remember. Including extension. Once after you know the file, Daniel, I need to load this file by using PANDAS. Yes, we can load. We can load CSV file by using one predefined function in PANDAS. By using one, what exactly? Predefined. There is a predefined function. You need to call that function. Then we have to provide this name of the file. Then it returns the data frame. It returns what exactly? Data frame. Let me show you that. I'm going to write a program actually. Let me just try to write a program. You will get an idea. Please be silent. Import pandas as PD. Am I right? That's what we are continuing. And DIFF equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. What exactly? Read underscore CSV. Sales1.csv. Sales1 dot what exactly? CSV. Then let me just try to print DIFF actually. What exactly meant? One point. Read underscore CSV is a predefined function. Daniel, how can you say? There are 2 points here you need to be understand. First point, you are calling by using pandas. You are calling by using what exactly? Pandas. And all are lowercase. All are what exactly? If it is class, R should be, yeah, that's the confirmation. You should kindly please get a confirmation. Either it is a function or class actually. Be clear. It is a predefined function. It is what exactly? Predefined. Yesterday even someone asked, someone I guess, how to prove that one is a function. Print of read underscore CSV. Did I cover that one? Yeah. I hope that is a proof actually. Team, can I ask a question? This one is interesting point actually. Whenever you are calling this function, here you need to specify name of the file. You need to specify what exactly? You need to specify function calling. We are assigning into variable means what exactly? Return statement. That point is important. See, return here also came. Return. Don't ask what is return, sir. We already covered in Python actually, right? A function calling, we are assigning into variable means backend return is available. What is available, sir? Return is available. We are good to go. We are really good to go. Now, next point. Where your program is available inside coding folder. Inside which folder? Coding folder. In the same location, you need to provide the file. You need to provide what exactly? File. Now, let me just try to run this example. Daniel, file is available in different location. Hold on. I will talk about that one also. Now, let's open that file. On an average, this file can contain, 600 rows I have created actually. How many, sir? 600 rows I have created. You know what? Then, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns also it is having. How many columns, man? 4 columns. So the beauty here it is, with the 600 rows, it will create the data frame. It will create what exactly? That's really beautiful. Though it is having 600 rows, what exactly it happened, it can display top 5 rows and next one will be bottom 5 rows actually. What happened? I didn't save star symbol. Then I didn't save actually. Let me run this one. It is loading the file. Yeah, very good. Sir, though how many rows actually? 600 rows. How many columns? 4 columns. Then by default, it is displaying top 5 rows. Understand how the function is behaving actually. Top 5 rows and next one it is displaying what exactly? Bottom 5 rows. Really very good. This dot indicates to Hey Daniel, not only top and bottom, in between we do have a values. We do have what exactly? Well, the continuation of the data actually. Sir, మీకు అర్థమైందా? I need a response from you. Hope you're getting right. Let's take this one. What exactly happened, you know? Can I explain actually? Can I explain? You can just have to come here. Team, the moment whenever you are giving the file, there is a big object is created actually. Yeah, very good. This big object name is called as a DF. I like to draw object diagram, sir. I like to draw always object diagram actually. Idi data frame object peru. Let's get this data. Let us pull the image here and keep here actually. Wow, such a beautiful man. Yes, this is object. Like this, you can dump with 600 rows, 1 crore rows, 10 crore rows, no limitation. Any number of rows actually. Always look at the data with respect to object. With respect to what exactly? Then you can perform object related operation. What operation? Object related operation. Please make a note. This point is important actually. What if you leave first column empty? It will be also considered like none actually. None upcoming discussion, sir. Karthik sir, you are right as of now, but we can talk later actually. Why? Because that is upcoming point. With the help of NumPy file, load possible actually. So your name is Vajid sir. That is possible. I can talk later actually. That is possible. I request you please. Please be silent actually. With the help of NumPy, I can sense almost 3 times I am hearing. I request you. I request you. With the help of NumPy, what we can do, we can load the file. But how to load the file by using NumPy, I can talk later actually. I can talk later. Let me take this example. Yeah, good. Here is the point. So loading the file. Loading what exactly? CSV file. What file meant? CSV file. So here is the some points you need to be understand. Read underscore CSV is a predefined function. Chappan sir, is a predefined function. Okay. Is a predefined function. In pandas, in what exactly? Then we can call by using pandas. We can call by using what exactly? Pandas actual. That's what we are calling pd.read underscore CSV. Team, you know what? This function having return statement in the backend. Having what exactly? Return what exactly? Statement in backend actually. So we are assigning into what exactly? Variable. We are assigning into what exactly mean? Variable actually. So I'm sorry for saying, let me tell you, many trainers, they never highlight actually. Why we are assigning this line? Because backend return. Backend what exactly? We done R&D and return actually. Am I right? R&D, research and development actually. End to end we have given left and right. Wherever this kind of line is available, think like, you are calling a function. Function having return statement. If a function having return statement, that function calling, we need to assign into what exactly? Variable. That's what we already covered actually. Conclusion of this story. Let's move on. Hope you understand. Next important point. While you are, by default it is displaying what exactly? Top 5 rows and what exactly, sir? Bottom 5 rows. Daniel, I wanted to see the total data. There is a one method in data frame. That method you need to call. That method name is a to_string. Chapani? To_string. Chapali. But that method I can talk later. But anyway, just for fun, let me display the total data. Ayyo, sorry sir. You can just have to come here and student. Yeah, total how much data? 600 rows, man. How many rows actually? 600 rows. Really very good. Structured data. What exactly mean? Structured data. Yeah. Yeah, we can use, sir. We can use. We can talk. There is a data selection actually. Definitely I will talk these are all things. Okay. This is really valid point. What is the question, Is there any data limitation for file upload actually in a 10 or 20 GB? This is really very good, man. Very good question. The answer will be no limitation. No limitation. But let me tell you, So imagine if it is a 1 GB file. What exactly mean? 1 GB file. So generally speaking, when you're talking about the year sales, chapun sir, year sales. Year sales, how it is available, John.csv file. The next one, February.csv file. The next one, March.csv file. If you combine all these files, then the last one is a December file. What is the last one? December. DECM, December.csv file actually. I would like to say now the total size will be, think like, kind of some 10 GB. What exactly? Now we do have these are all files we need to concatenate, then we can get a big size actually. Sir, this is the upcoming topic. Nityanand sir, no limitation as of now. Let me continue, you will get an idea. Okay, let's move on. There are many points we need to cover actually. So the point will be, whenever we are loading CSV file, then PANDAS returns data frame. We can load CSV file. We can load what exactly? CSV file by using read underscore CSV function. By using what function, sir? Read underscore CSV function. Chudani. Yeah, today onwards, import the pandas, loading the file, and here you need to specify name of the file. What is the name of the file, sir? Sales1.csv. You have to load that file actually. Today I need to upload this file along with material. You have to remind me. You have to remind me. One important interview point here actually. What is that point? Team, while you are importing, imagine file name something went wrong. File name you have given wrong name. File name you have given what exactly? Wrong name. Then what exactly happened? In your current directory, it is trying to searching for the file. File is not available. Then you will get an error. Error name is a file not found error. Chapani. File not found error. One more time. Very good. Sweet voice actually. Yeah, tell me, sir. File not found error. Same thing like that. Instead of file, we have seen this kind of error, not found error. When actually? Yeah, same thing. Just you need to replace instead of module, file you need to replace actually. Can I list out error list out cheddama? Is it okay? You can just try to come here. Go to the errors list actually. Yeah, very good. That's what. I know the order actually very well. Previous one is a module not found error. Now, we are good to go. We are good to go. Whenever you are running the program, if the file name, something went wrong, then you will get an error. Error name is a file not found error. Very good. We run this example. Now, one more example. Let me tell you. Hey, Daniel, I am loading the file. It is okay. The file is available in the current directory. It is creating actually. Let me just try to come here and let me just try to display. Yeah, let us just try to make a note actually, and we are accessing these are all. Now imagine if the file is not available in current directory. Imagine the file is not available. I have deleted. File is not available. Whenever you are running this program, what exactly, sir? You are running this program. Inside of this program, there is a function. Function name is a sales underscore CSV. What is that one? Sales underscore, read underscore CSV. Whenever you are calling this function, if you have given this syntax actually, indirectly this syntax means exactly the file supposed to be available in current directory. It will come inside of this coding folder. It will start searching actually any file would you have with the same name, no file. Then you will again get error. Error name is a file not found error. What error? File not found error. Please make a note actually. మీరు లోడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఫైల్ గనక అందులో లేకపోతే you will get an error actually. Error name is a file not found error, right? Let's take this. If file not exist in current directory, then yeah, file not found error. Let's take the same code. If file name wrong, we'll get file not found error. Simple. Let me give wrong name. Let me give what name actually? Wrong name. We are good to go. Okay. Let's move on. I understand your question. Is it available mandatory in current directory? Sir, it can be available in any location. Can I close these are all? What are all we are not using? Let me close this. Yeah. We are good to go. There is a one question I have seen. Sir, you are using CMD till now. How can I save output in a variable or store in a database actually? Good question, sir. By using, by using MySQL, upcoming topic actually. Upcoming topic I will cover. Sharma sir, upcoming topic actually. Let's move on with the discussion. Follow the order. I mean, order in the sense topic order actually. Topics order. Above program, sales1.csv file should be exist in current directory. Otherwise, we will get an error. Error name is a file not found error. Let's load the file from the different folder actually. We need to provide the file name with the folder name. We need to provide what exactly? File name. See, sales123. It is not available. Then you are getting a file not found error. The next one, you can just have to come here. Kindly please make a note actually. Yeah. Good. So here file is available. Instead of along with the program, let me create a one small folder. Folder name is a files. What is the folder name? Files. Good. And let me just try to copy this file inside these files actually. Sir, what I have done actually. Conclusion of the story. Inside coding folder, now we can see two things actually. One is try to the point Python program. One is a Python program. Another one is a files folder. What folder? If you open the files folder, actual sales file would have here actually. Couldn't manaki kavalsina sales file. I mean to say simple, both are not in same directory. Instead of file, we have stored in a folder. We have stored in what exactly? Yeah, now we can access actually. How to access, follow the syntax. Here I have given. Right, see, inside this file, read underscore CSV, yeah, files, / sales1.csv we need to give actually. So very simple, right? Let us just have to implement this example, you will get an idea. Import PANDAS as PD. DF equals to pd.read underscore CSV. Now here, what is the file name, sir? Sales1.csv. And this one is a DF. Sir, can somebody guess the output actual? Output guess, yes, sir? Yeah, very good. File not found error. Why? Because file is not available actually. Then where file is available? Inside files folder. Inside which folder? Files folder. And whenever you are providing files of / actually, and you may get a little warning. That warning will be escape sequence character, something like that actually. Warnings are ignorable. Repeating again, whenever you are running this program, especially inside double quote, if this kind of symbols are available like a / or else, so / if you're having, you will get a one small warning. Warnings are like a mother warnings actually. So mother will give warning. We never care. My mother will tell, don't go to the ground actually. I never heard actually. I will go to the ground. That's it. Am I right or not? We can ignore. But father warnings, sir, you have to consider. Otherwise, so yeah, good. Hope you know that. So still warning, we are getting output actually. But Daniel, this looks very odd. I don't want to see this warning actually. You can just have to come here. Add here one small letter. Letter name is a R. What is the letter? R means raw string. Consider completely from here to here. I don't want any warnings actually. Now you can run the example. I can talk later what is the R actually. Raw string. What exactly? Raw string. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. Let me execute this example. Loading the file from the folder. This example indicates to loading the file, loading the sales1.csv from files folder. What folder, man? Files folder. Then we may get warning. We may get what exactly? Warning. One warning. We can ignore warnings as of now. Ignore warning as of now. What is a warning? We will discuss later. What is warning, Daniel, actually? What is warning? Upcoming topic. I'm sorry. There are some upcoming topic. Trust me, I will cover actually. If I say I will cover, I never skip actually, right? So let me take the same thing here. R is not available. You know what? Let me just try to take this one. Yeah. Skip warning. What exactly? Skip warning by using or letter. Sir, running nodes is very clear. Just we are providing the running nodes and material. Your task is just to preparation actually. Let us just try to provide. Till now, are you clear or not, sir? Can I get a response actually? Good. There is a one question I have seen in online. Can we load from parent folder actually? Sir, no limitation. Yeah, I mean, we can load actually. Backwards, both slashes also we can use. Siddiq sir, Jupyter, we can talk later. Jupyter, we can talk later actually. Right. So now there are two scenarios I have explained. So when you're talking about the file, especially sales1.csv file, first it is available in current directory. First it is available in which directory? Right. The next one it is available in folder. Where exactly mean? Folder. The third one will be let me save the file in drive actually. What exactly mean? Drive, either C drive, D drive. Now what I wanted to tell you know, sir, your file can be anywhere in this universe. Anywhere, no limitation. Pandas can access. Panda, it should access actually. Otherwise it is a limitation. Otherwise it is what exactly? Limitation actually. చూడండి కరెంట్ డైరెక్టరీలో ఉన్నప్పుడు in current directory we have access. If it is available in folder, we have access actually. Let me show you how to access from the drive. I mean to say the C drive or else D drive actually. I'm talking about that. We'll do one thing. You can just try to take this, copy, go to my PC. Which drive sir చెప్పండి ఎక్కడ కాపీ చేద్దాం D folder. And here yeah already for previous batch I already copied actually. Delete this one. Now let us copy actually. This is Naresh Shetty laptop, not my personal laptop. Very good. The file just now I have copied actually. The file just now I have copied the file. Where exactly file is available, you know? Children, ikkada undi file. Just now I have copied actually. Can somebody talk with me? What is the drive name? D drive. What is the drive name? D drive actually. Now it's a very simple. Go back to the next example. This example. Yeah, exactly that symbol. Go back here. Here you can see kind of some symbol, right? D column backward slash. Exactly you have to use the same thing actually. D column backward slash name of the file. Then you will get a data. You will get what exactly meant? Data. Are you with me or not, sir? Come on, children. Let us just try to take this. Sir, I wanted to tell you one thing today. You can access anything, man. Anything from anywhere. That's the beauty actually. Let us just try to load the data. It's okay. We are just trying to creating a data frame. Cool. We are getting warning. How to skip the warning? Or. You can use or letter actually. Or letter. Loading sales1.csv from drive. D drive. What drive, sir? D drive actually. We are good to go. We covered almost these are all scenario. I have seen some questions. Good. More questions. Interesting. Sir, current directory indicates which directory actually. While doing practice, I missed the first two options and used third option directly actually. What is that? While doing practice, I missed the first two options actually. Online team. I appreciate every one of you. You guys are asking really good question, but kindly please make it very clear actually. Then, you know, I'm happy. I love technical discussion. I'm happy to answer, but be clear, be specific. Be specific actually. You're asking lunch, but let me know what type of lunch you want actually. Either veg biryani or else, you know, chicken biryani, mutton biryani actually. Am I right? Ante kada? Yeah, good. Let's move on. Let's continue with the discussion. Be specific. Whenever you're asking a question, be specific so that I can connect with the directly actual. Let's continue. Wow. Till now we done with CSV file how to load. How to load what exactly? CSV file. Now let me explain how to load JSON file. What file, sir? JSON file. CSV file. But let me tell you one point I wanted to tell. Very, very important point, sir. Important point. Whenever you are working in a company, I can give a guarantee, 100 out of 100% guarantee actually. The data you will get in CSV format only. What format, sir? CSV format only. CSV format. Mostly. No doubt in that actually. Why? Because, CSV is a very lightweight component file. Talk with me. Lightweight component. It takes very, very less memory actually. Less memory. It's not only CSV is the file, would have a JSON file. What file actually? JSON file. Daniel, can I load JSON data? Sir, you can load. Can I show you how to load JSON file actually? Yeah, let me show you. Back to the session. Go back. First of all, I would like to show you the JSON data. You will understand clearly. Man, close everything. Let me just try to close this example and I would like to delete this folder also. Is it okay for you? My interest, sir. I will delete actually. It's okay. Now go back. Let us just try to access the JSON file. Go to the Daniel. You can just try to come here. Materials. Data analysis. All files. Chudandi ikkada. Can somebody tell me what is a file? JSON file. JSON file. Go back previously. I'm telling like this one is a CSV file. What file? CSV. Comma separated file actually. But the file name is a sales one. Daniel, extension will be hidden. Chappandi. Extension is hidden. No, don't play joke actually. I wanted to see the extension. Do you wanted to see the extension actually? Give a right click. Go to the properties. Somewhere here you can see CSV actually. Chudandi ikkada meeru chudochu CSV format ani untundi. I'm sure. Yeah, here you can see type of the file. Chappandi sir, comma separated values. Yeah, exactly. If you go to that last actually, the extension is a .csv. I'm repeating again, go to the file, give a right. There is a meaning for everything. Please make a note actually, properties, and you can just have to go to that last, and here it is displaying .csv. We are good to go. Now let me just try to take the JSON file, copy, create a folder. My folder name is a coding. Let me open this file. Are you ready? Good. So JSON file. JSON file, the data looks like a dictionary format. What format? Dictionary format. Previously, in a CSV file, the data looks like a row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. In a JSON file, the data looks like exactly like this, man. Exactly. Meeku ila kanipistundi actually. This is called as a JSON data. I mean to say, from here to here, I can say dictionary number 1. Actually, we should not say dictionary, but if I compare with the dictionary, you can easy to understand. Right. Now, in a single dictionary, one record, order ID, ends with 939, and customer name. Customer name, madam name is Lavanya, and the product. I would like to say record number 1, first row. What exactly? Record number 1, first row. Sir, semi-structured data. What data? There are 3 types of the data. Did you remember? A long back I covered actually. First one is a structured data. Next one, semi-structured. Next one, unstructured. We covered actually. Structured data. One of the examples CSV file. What file? Semi-structured data. Semi-structured data can bind the data with some tags. Kind of some starting parenthesis, closing parenthesis, some tags required actually. Okay. Record number 1. Record number 2, record number 3. How it is storing, what it is storing doesn't matter for us actually. Automatically client will give this data. Who is the first record? Lavanya madam. Go back to the last actually. Who is the last record actually? Last record ever? Sagar. Sagar actually. It's okay. Let's close this one. Now Daniel, I wanted to load. Do you want to see the extension? Go to the properties and here you can see JSON. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Now I wanted to load this file actually. Sir, how simple it is, Same thing like a previous actually. This is beautiful. Import PANDAS as PD. df equals to to load CSV file, what is the function name? Read underscore CSV. Cheppandi. To load JSON file, read underscore JSON. Read underscore what exactly? JSON. Here you need to specify name of the file. What is the name of the file? Sales1.json. Sales1. Sir, extension matter. You have to provide the extension. You have to provide what exactly? Extension. Yeah. What is the first record actually? Lavanya ma'am. Last record? Sagar. Let us just have to save this example demo1.py. If the file name is wrong, you will get an error. Error name is a file not found error. Somebody is telling file type mistake. Sales. Yeah. Good catch, man. Good catch actually. Sales1. Good. Let us run. Wow. Exactly, man. How many rows, sir? 500 rows. Yeah, Lavanya madam. Next one is a Sagar actually. Data never lie. What data it is available, it can display automatically actually. Ardhotna, sir. Good. We can load JSON file by using read underscore JSON function. Read underscore JSON, what exactly function? Though it is function, you need to call by using pandas. Though it is a function, you need to call by using what exactly? Pandas actually. Pandas. PD dot read underscore CSV. Man, simple. To load a CSV file, read underscore CSV. To load a JSON file, read underscore JSON. To load a Excel file, read underscore Excel. Specific file, specific function. They have created separately like this actually. That is really beautiful. Can I ask you a question? Sir, can somebody explain about the total line actually? Yeah, very good. Let me tell you. First of all, we are calling a function. It is available in pandas. This function takes name of the file. Now, the moment when you're calling this function, we are assigning into variable because backend what is available? Return. Yeah, like that. Right, like that. Okay. Back to the session. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. What exactly? JavaScript Object Notation actually. This I will answer now only. Somebody is telling. Jalal. Are Daniel, can we load the data by using cloud actually? If it is upcoming, no. Let me answer now only. Now itself only. Let me tell you in AWS, there is a service. The service name is called as a S3 bucket actually. What exactly, boss? S3 bucket. S3 bucket. Imagine your file is available inside an S3 bucket actually. Then you have to install one library. That library name is called as a Boto3 library. What library? Boto3 library. Then we can proceed actually. We can proceed to load actually. I can cover. More discussion I can cover later actually. Jalal sir, hope you got a clear picture. All right. But the library name is a Boto3. Back to the session. In JSON file, data is like a key value pairs. Data is like what exactly? Key value pair. It is commonly used for transferring, data in a web application actually. Where exactly JSON file it will be used, Team, let me tell you. If you want, I can draw one small diagram. You will get an idea. ఒక చిన్న diagram draw చేస్తాను చూడండి. Imagine this is your laptop. I would like to say this is Daniel laptop actually. And here you are entering username. In your laptop, you are entering username. And in your laptop, you are entering password actually. My username is a Daniel, JNAI77. My password will be ABC123. Don't try actually. Yeah. Now you need to click on login. Good. We are good to go. Tim, this one is my laptop actually. The moment when you click on this laptop, then when you click on that login button actually, definitely there is a Gmail app. In server. Chappan sir, in server. This is also called as a client. Also called as what exactly? Client actually. Tim, now what happened, Here username and password is a data. This data supposed to travel from client to server. Backend it will use JSON packet. Backend, it will use what exactly? JSON packet to transfer the data from one location to another location actually. JSON packet, a kind of some UN. This is something like, so username, and the username is a Daniel respectively actually. Think like that, keep on. I'm sorry, I may not more specific, but kindly please understand PWD. And here you need to specify password ABC like that actually. Wow. Indirectly, they are using JSON packet to transfer the data over web application. To transfer the data over what exactly? Web application. Can I get a response from you? Like, JSON is the very common technique. By using that, they are transferring from client to server. Client to what exactly? Server. No need to be understand more, but that is the point I wanted to cover. It is commonly using for transferring the data, transferring the data over web application. Whenever we are loading the JSON file, then pandas returns what exactly mean? Data frame. We can load CSV, not CSV. I hope I need to update actually. We can load JSON file by using what exactly mean? Read underscore JSON function. Tappandi, what function? All right, good. You understand, I guess, actually. Now the next one, Excel file. What is the next one? Excel file. Let me give you one small recap. Daniel, I do have a CSV file. I do have what file actually? CSV file. Then you need to call a function. Function name is a read underscore CSV. PD dot. It is okay. Daniel, I do have a JSON file. Then you need to call a function. Chaptara. DF equals to PD dot what exactly? Read underscore JSON. Here you need to provide a name of the file. JSON. Now the file is a Excel file. What file actually? Excel file. This is really interesting topic. There are some few more extra points you need to learn. It's not like previously CSV file we loaded, JSON file we loaded actually. There is some interesting points you need to be understand. Let me tell you what is that interesting actually. Let me tell you. Different files. Let me drink water, sir. Back to the session. Excel is a spreadsheet from the Microsoft. I'm sure you might already know Excel file data. Am I right? Do you know Excel actually? You can just have to give a right click here and here new actually. ఇక్కడ మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది Excel sheet అనేది. Am I right? Excel sheet we ourselves can create actually. Yeah, exactly. Shivik Sharma. Thank you, sir. Now the point will be, it is using mainly to store the business application data. So whenever we are loading the Excel file, then pandas returns what exactly, sir? Data frame. Data. A little type mistake. I'm extremely sorry for this. We can load Excel file by using read underscore Excel function. What is the function? Read underscore Excel. Chappan. Read underscore Excel. One more time. But one small twist actually. What is that twist, Let me tell you. Tim, CSV file, by default you can load. JSON file, by default you can load. But if you're trying to loading Excel file, pandas cannot recognize actually. Pandas cannot recognize. Then what we need to do, to load Excel file, we need to install external library. Chappan sir, external library or packages actually. Anything you can say. External libraries or packages. Based on requirement, there are two libraries we need to install. First one will be pip install. Chappan ikkada evanundi XLRD. Chappan XLRD. One more time. XLRD. Nowadays I am observing it is asking one more package actually. OpenPyXL. Chappan OpenPyXL. One more time. You do one thing. Without installing these two, try to load actually. Then you will get a module not found error. Or else you will get a import error. What error actually? Then it will suggest to go and install this one. Then you have to install these two actually. You have to install these two. Madam, your name. Your name. Ma'am, your name. Please, I request you. Please silent. Please, I request. Don't mind, please. I never point madams actually. But I'm sorry, please don't mind. Okay, fine. Let's continue. Excel file we should not load. Load directly. If you really wanted to load Excel file, you have to install some external libraries. That libraries will be XLRD. What exactly? XLRD. This is the one of the library you need to install. One more package is called as a OpenPyXL. Chapani? OpenPyXL. Nowadays I'm saying one more library it is asking. I forgot actually. But you will get one error. Error name is a import error. Whenever you are getting that import error, it will specify name of the module. Copy that one and you can install. Pip install something like that actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Children, let me install. First, let me uninstall. Excel or D. We are trying to uninstalling. Oh, not available. That is okay. Then pip uninstall. Open PyXL. Then pip install open PyXL actually. Yeah, good. You have to install this. You have to install this. This is something like a supporting library, sir. This is something like what exactly? Supporting library. Try to install XLRD also. Try to install what exactly? XLRD also. Pip install XLRD2. For CSV, no supporting library. For JSON, no supporting library. For Excel, supporting library you have to install. Yeah, done. I have installed. One more small twist actually. What is that twist, you know? Listen carefully. CSV file extension. Listen carefully. .csv. JSON file extension. I'm highlighting actually. .json. Sir, Excel file. Madam, Excel file extension. Not .excel actually. ఇది మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. It is not .excel. What is extension? You know, the extension will be. Let me just try to show you here. You will get an idea. Excel SX actually. చూడండి. Excel SX. Right? Can I copy this? Yeah. Please make a note on this. This is important. Yeah, you should understand these are all discussion actually. Very good. Extension. File and extension. Files and what exactly? Extensions. We are good to go. Yeah. I'm sure you are clear till now. Can I continue? You good. So it's a very simple what we need to do, you know. Pull the file. File ekkada undi sir. Delete this JSON. I don't want as of now. Excel file I need to load actually. Excel file, right? Ekkudundi ante sales one. This one is Excel file. This one is Excel file. Copy this. Excel SX. Daniel, what is a confirmation? How can we say that is extension actually? Sir, simple. You can still open properties and you can cross verify. మీరు ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చెక్ చేయొచ్చు ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఎనీ కన్ఫర్మేషన్. గివ్ రైట్ క్లిక్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. మీరు చూస్తారు ఇక్కడ ఎక్సెల్ ఎస్ఎక్స్ అని ఉంది యాక్చువల్గా. ఏమో రైట్? హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. కెన్ ఐ గెట్ ఏ రెస్పాన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ? ఓకే. Please upload these files in classroom for us to practice. Sir, thanks for your reminder. But end of this session, remind me actually. End of this session, remind me. Definitely, I will upload actually. Okay. Now, back to the session. You can just try to copy this. Demo one actually. Copy the code. Easy, sir. Madam, very easy actually. These are all very easy. Can just try to execute this. Beautiful. Let us run this. Nice. We are good to go, I guess, actually. Supriya Rao, ma'am. Definitely. You can still use Excel, see Excel actually. Excel underscore, read underscore Excel function. Let me take this example. Loading Excel file. What file, sir? Loading Excel file. Chaptara, till now how many files I covered? 3 files. First one, X. Next one, JSON. Next one, Excel. These are all, that's why the topic name is called as a loading the different files. Chappan boss, loading the different. We are good to go. Next one, TSV. Sir, TSV or TVS actually. Yes, my father first bike is a TVS actually. So no, before first bike Lona, no TVS only. Good. Now here, what is the TSV stands for? TSV means tab separated file. One more, tab separated values. Come on, tab separated values file actually. Right, good. Whenever do you wanted to see the data actually, and we would have it. Yo, Daniel, open the same folder. All files. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో TSV అని ఉంటుంది. What is the meaning of this one? Here the data CSV means separated by comma separator, separated by. But here TSV means separated by tab separator. What separator? Tab actually, one tab separator. But very rare. ఇది చాలా very rare గా ఉంటుంది. Still we can access. Take this. Copy this. Paste here. Daniel will do one thing, sir. Let us just try to copy JSON also. Where is the JSON? CSV, JSON, these are all things also. Let us copy actually. Instead of minimizing, I'm closing. I'm sorry for this. This one is a JSON file. This one is a CSV file. Let us copy. Almost all files are in the same folder. Almost 4 files, man. How many files actually? 4 files. The first file is called as a CSV file. I explained how to load actually. The next one is a JSON file. We have seen how to load that. And the third one is a Excel file. What is the third one? Excel file. That one also I covered actually. Now I'm explaining about the TSV file. I'm explaining about what exactly. If any one of you having a question, Daniel, can I load all files in one shot actually? Last example I will explain. You will get an idea. Did you understand? Right. So to load TSV file, you need to use a function. The function name is a read underscore table. What is the function? Read underscore table. We can load TSV file. Let me upload today and I can update you. A small type mistake actually. And there is a function name is a read underscore table, and name of the file you need to provide. You are able to get the data here actually. Here also 600 rows would you have. Can I move on this example? Yeah, good. Yeah, we are good to go. We're done. Loading TSV file. We'll do one thing. Let us load all files. Let us load what exactly? All files actually in one program. Then trust me, this is a more fun example actually. Chudane. Import PANDAS as PD. Good. First to DF1. PD dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore what exactly? CSV. Here let us just try to provide name of the file. File name is a sales1.csv. Hope you know that. DF2. Chapter sir. PD dot read underscore JSON. Very good. And what is the file name? Sales1.json. DF3. Chapter what is the third file? PD dot read underscore Excel. Excel. The file name is a sales1 dot XLSX. Perfect. Now the next one, DF4 equals to PD dot read underscore CSV table. Wow, beautiful, sir. Like that, you need to be understand. Sales1 dot what exactly? TSV. The conclusion of the story. Separate file, separate function. Hey Daniel, can I use this function to load this file actually? No, sir. You are a vegetarian actually. Don't touch non-veg actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Conclusion of the story. I'm sorry. Separate function, separate file. They themselves they have followed actually. Then we also good to follow, right? Now let us just try to print all these data frames. Let us just try to print the first DF one. Maintain social distance actually. Yeah, nowadays distance free. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not making you to scare. DF3, DF4. Yeah, yeah. Total to 4 data frames. Very good, man. 4 data frames in one shot actually. Ayyo. Wow. Data frame number 1, data frame number 2, 3, 4. 4 data frames actually. Sir, అర్థమైందా? Mm. That's what, all files should be available in the current directory. All files should be available in where exactly? Current directory. If any file is missing, you will get an error. Error name is a file not found error. What error? File not found error. Next example is interesting example. We covered these are all. Uh, we covered these are all. Online team, let me check with you. Are you following everybody? I hope online team, I hope you're following. I need a response from you. Overall joined online, Karim sir, Kirti, so Madhuri, Siddiq sir, Verma, Nityanand, Kumar, Prasanna, Reshma. Good, good. Be regular. Syed sir, Triveni. I need response from everyone actually. చెప్పండి సార్. Who can change? As of now, the good question. Daniel, can I change this index actually? As of now, what I'm doing, how to load the file. If you wanted to change the index actually, there is upcoming topic. The topic name is called as a data selection. LOC, ILOC. During that time, I can explain actually. We can do that. Manan cheyochu. Okay. Let's continue. Now the next point will be table from web page. What is the topic, sir? Table from web page. There is a one link, one URL. Let us open that URL. Let us just try to understand that web page link actually. There in that website, there is a one table. That table I wanted to capture, Daniel actually. Sir, it is possible. It is also called as a web scraping. Chappan? Web scrap. Web scrap. Do you want to see that link? That link is a Wikipedia link. First of all, it is a public website. What website? Public website. Listen carefully. This point is important actually. Let's take this. Let me just try to open with Chrome. చూడండి. Yeah. Now simple, I hope you know Wikipedia. It is a public domain actually. Anyone can access. It is not a private. Now here, the moment when you open here, there is some small little theory. This is something like the world's billionaire. So people they are habituated how they can do, they wanted to display some millionaire, some person description. These are all things actually. Here you can see there is a one table here. Imagine we are going to write a PANDAS example. That PANDAS example can hit this URL automatically, can try to access this URL automatically. In that web page, how many tables would you have? It can create a data frame. 10 tables would you have? 10 data frames it create automatically. 20 tables it is having, 20 data frames it will create automatically actually. That is really beautiful. Are you with me or not, sir? Let me explain. Then this one is called as a first table. What table, sir? First table. I mean to say first data frame. Sir, tell me what is the information? Billionaires. Right. Let me show you who are all billionaires. The next one, legend. They're giving some status. This color indicates to, their income as of now stable. This green indicates to upper mark increasing. Red color indicates to, decreasing actually. The data till 2024. The data till what exactly? 20. Why? Because we are running with 2025. Good. Now let me tell you. Yeah, this is the data. these are all especially then total top 10 actually, top 10. And the first person and yeah, net worth 233 and nationality France, and he stands in the first person actually. Are you looking your names actually? We can check later. You can try. Nothing is wrong. Good. Yeah. Second person is Elon Musk actually. I hope you know that one. Right. So conclusion of the story: 195 billions. So he has a kind of some different all green cars here. Tesla, especially income is coming from where actually. This one is I hope you know. He's the guy. I like him. Yeah. Hope you know that. Amazon actually. Right. Facebook creator. Right. No, let me tell you. Any Indian person? Yeah. Yeah. So our India stands actually. Now I hope you know. Let me tell you. This is just open data. But let me tell you, if everyone is opening their money from India, I'm sorry for saying, we do have a lot of black money actually. In India, the problem is no one never tell I have a lot of money. If really kind of some what a survey happened, definitely top 10 should be from India, no doubt at all actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్ ఇప్పుడు? I'm sorry. Good. Now our motto will be, I wanted to load this data. I wanted to load what exactly? This data. Daniel, can we load actually? We can load. Let me show you how to load. Are you clear till now? Good. Let's continue. Let's continue. To load this data, it's a very simple. The point is first to create a string with that URL. Create a string. Exactly you have to copy this URL. You have to copy this URL. With that URL, you have to create a one small string. That string name you can give anything, but I have given URL. Uniform resource locator actually. Then there is a, sir, what is this functional method? Function. Chapani. Function. How can you say? You are calling by using PD, pandas. The next one, what exactly, no? So simple. You are calling by using especially pandas. Now here this URL link you need to specify here actually. URL you need to specify. Now what exactly happened here, you know? Let me run this example. Chudani, let me run. Link I have copied. DFs, data frames. There is a meaning actually. PD.read underscore HTML. Chappan sir, HTML. Here you need to specify that link actually. Team, now the moment whenever you are hitting this one, what exactly happened, you know? So let me tell you, go back and here table number 1, data frame number 1, table number 2, data frame number 2, table number 3, data frame number 3. Like this in this website, how many tables you do have? It will create all data frames, man. It will create all data frames actually. Now, the beauty with this syntax is, whenever you are calling this function returns list of data frames. Talk with me. I mean to say backend there is a list. Don't ask what is list. I mean list data structure. Inside that list data structure, it will start creating first data frame, comma, second data frame, comma, third data frame, like that actually. If it is really list data structure, now I just wanted to access, I hope you already know list data structure backend, it is having index notation. What notation? 0th index. What index? 0th index. Next one. Tell me. First index. Next one. That's what here we are accessing DF of 2 actually. అర్థమైతే సార్ మీకు అర్థమైంది యాక్చువల్లీ. లెట్ మీ జస్ట్ ట్రై టు టేక్ దిస్ DF of what exactly? 2. Wow. Get ready. Let me call this. చూడండి, కాల్ చేద్దాం. Very good. Thank God I got error actually. So I wanted to show you. Whenever you are executing this example, if you are getting import error, what error? Import error. Indirectly it is asking third party library. Hey Daniel, only this function cannot work actually. For me, one supporting library is required. That library name is a LXML. Tell me, LXML. One more time. Then look at this one. It is giving suggestion, use pip command. What exactly? Install LXML. Then what we need to do, pip install. Chappan sir, LXML. L what exactly? XML. You need to install that. Follow the suggestion. What error? Chappan sir. Done. Let me run this example. Yeah, very good, sir. చూడండి మీకు వచ్చేసింది డేటా స్క్రాప్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. That visualization I will talk with you later actually. How to get, yeah, who is the first person? No, so Bernard Arnault actually, he's from family, age 75. Any 16 like me actually? No. Yeah, talk with me. What is the 19? Mukesh Ambani. I hope you can see here actually. Are you getting or not, sir? This is really beautiful, sir. Our program, one student, exactly he asked actually. The question will be, Daniel, this example, I tried yesterday almost 5 to 10 times actually. I'm sorry I didn't get output actually. Sir, internet connection is required. What is required? I'm sorry. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Why? Because your program, it is going to eating what is that link actually. If internet connection is not available, you will get an error. URL resource locator, that error you will get actual. That error you will get actual. Okay. You can print, sir. Let me show you. You can print all data frames also. I'm sorry, loading the table from web page actually. Generally, I never laugh by pointing the student, but seriously, so much fun actually. Daniel, can I see all data frames? Sir, you can see, but really courage is required actually. Why? Because lot of data frames. Yeah, hold on. I wanted to cover one more point actually. Come on, let me tell you. Maybe we are running out. Good, good. Daniel, you are pulling the data in a command prompt actually. Can I save this data in current directory? We can save. I mean to say, can I save this data for future reference? Actually, we can save. To save this data for future reference, take the same thing. There is a one method. Method name is a .to_CSV. Chappan sir, to_CSV, and just try to give output.CSV actually. Then chudani, the moment whenever you are running this program, in your current directory, automatically the file it will be created actually. Chudandi sir, మీకు ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. వావ్, క్రియేటెడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. చూసారా మీరు? సార్, if you guys are not looking, please wake up actually. Let me run, and I have deleted. Let me run one more time. చూడండి, output file created. The total output it is storing inside of this output. Do you want to open that? Click on this and you can open, sir. You can enjoy actually. Very good. Hope you are getting a nice clarity. We can see there is really interesting. We can see later. These are all things actually. Hope you are getting. Can I respond? Can I get a response? We are good to go. No, it can replace the old file. It can replace the old file actually. Okay. So Daniel, I wanted to see all data frames. Then you do one thing. You can just have to come here. This I can still talk later. To_CSV I can still talk later actually. You can just have to come here. And Daniel, I just wanted to see all the data frame. Then you can just have to come here. List of data frames you are seeing, sir. Then kind of some lot of data frames actually. Kindly please make a note. Oh my God, these are all data frames actually. Lot of data frames. If you wanted to know how many total data frames, you need to call a length function. What function? Length of, you can just have to apply here actually. You can understand. Okay, you are getting, I guess actually. But printing lot of data frames not required as of now. The good news will be we done with this chapter. So loading the different files. Loading what exactly? Different files. We done really actually. Not only this one, Daniel, I do have a data in a database. Upcoming topic I'm going to cover. There is a table in database. Yeah, we can apply pandas. The moment when you are applying pandas, if you are hitting the database, it returns the data frame. It returns what exactly, madam? Data frame. You will get an idea actually. Can I get a response from you? All right. We done this chapter, and kindly remind me, we done for today's session. Now you guys can talk each other actually. That is okay. I mean, everyone, not pointing anyone, everyone actually. That I just have to take this one. What happened? I didn't see, just for fun. What is that fun actually? Upload those. I will upload, sir. Rishi sir, what error you are getting? It should work, sir. Many students are asking vacation dates actually, but anyway, few students never care the dates. They already travel. So I didn't get a notification. Kindly please wait. I can update you. I forget to tell one thing, sir. I need to upload all these files in a zip folder. What folder? I should not upload directly with the specific file. If I'm uploading directly with the specific file, files are getting corrupting actually. Do you know the zip file format actually? You have to download and you have to unzip. If anyone don't know, I can talk tomorrow. But as of now, let me continue. Let me just try to take this introduction. We done this. How easy today topic, it's very simple. Then there are almost I'm wondering, you should have an access. Please connect with admin. Admin will help you to add into the Google Classroom. You should have an access actually. Recently, if admin have deleted, there might be a reason. I don't want to put light over that reason actually. Please connect with admin. Admin will help you. Definitely there might be a reason. If anyone is deleted. Rajesh, you added actually. Let me load the running notes too. Let me upload. What happened, sir? Did anyone give any comment? Okay. Generally the video, only today video, or else what about other videos, boss? Actually, generally the videos they will upload one day gap they will take actually. All right, I'm saving all these files in one folder. The folder name is a files. What is the folder name? Files. Let me just try to save this. Let me delete this. All these files. Output also, let me delete this. Copy. Now I need to make it zip. If I didn't create zip, what happened, sir? Previous batches I have seen the data corrupted, the data damaged. Simple actually. Then corrupted data you should not load by using pandas. If you are loading, pandas will scold you actually. Same thing like normal file how you are downloading. Same thing this one also you need to download. 3 places it's supposed to be matched. 7, 7, 7. I'm in right direction actually. Done. Online team having some issues. Let me fix those. From day one, I have not received actually. Then this is serious issue. Sharma sir, please connect with admin actually. Shivek Sharma, let me make a note your name. I will talk with admin. The day one onwards, if you, how many of you registered with recording sessions? Okay, are you getting recordings? Yeah, other guys are getting. Oh, okay, all right. So can you do one thing? Can you please CC me actually, Daniel, Gen AI 77 @gmail.com. Kindly make it CC. I'm sorry. You know about CC, I guess. Actually, I hope. Yeah, sure, sir. Please make me CC. Let's just try to. We're done for today's session. Thank you. Bhavita boss, this is just starting. There are a lot of examples regarding pandas actually. We are